Hi, I'm Pete Muscanelli. Do you realize that 1.4 billion pounds of wire is recycled in North America each year? Let's look at some ways you can help us increase the efficiency of recycling. There are some materials which can be easily recycled and some materials which cannot. It's important to separate the recyclable items to avoid contaminating the load. Let's look at some items that should not end up in the recycling bin. Trash doesn't belong in the metal and wire recycling container. Please keep all cups, containers, plastic bottles, and other debris out of the wire and metals bin. There are some materials of concern that should never be placed in the metals and wire bin. These include compressed gas, propane tanks, oils and solvents, chemicals, and batteries without their terminals taped. We do offer a solution for these items, which can be discussed by calling our office. Items that are okay to be placed in the metal and wire box include metal, wire, traps, line equipment, junction boxes, or other metals. These are just a few examples. You can always call our office if you're unsure what we can recycle. Now you can really help by coiling wire. It saves time and increases the asset recovery value. Now we know you're busy out there, but when you can coil the wire, it really helps us. Lastly, the contents of the recycling bin are property of the cable company. Theft should be reported to a supervisor. It's the little changes that make the biggest difference. Here's how you can help. Wire and metal only. Items that are acceptable for placing in the metal and wire bin include metal, wire, traps, line equipment, or junction boxes. These are just a few examples. You can always call our office if you're unsure of what can be recycled. Please coil wire before placing in the metals and wire container. No trash and no materials of concern. Compressed gas tanks, paints, solvents, chemicals, or batteries without their terminals taped. Thank you for helping us increase your recycling rates and return higher values back to your cable company. I'm Pete Muscanelli. Work safe and have a green week.